To create a project and set up an appointment for that lead, we'll go and look at the lead first. On the bottom right, you will see a button called Add Project and Appointment. We will click that. Since this is a demo environment, I have many leads that are duplicate. In your environment, if there are an email match, address, phone number, or name, it will bring up those leads that has common information, so that instead of creating a new customer account, you can continue by selecting your existing lead and creating a project and setting up an appointment for that lead. For our demo purpose, I'll just create a new customer account. So now I'm just going to continue to fill up these forms. First, we have the customer information that has been carried over from the time we had gathered all the information about the lead. Next, we'll verify the billing address with the customer. Then we will click next and then select a salesperson. In this case, depending on the territory, we can assign a specific salesperson. We can set up a house account so that a person who is the first to reach out to the customer to set up an appointment will then be auto-assigned by the application. In this case, I'll just leave it as house account. Next, we will then add some description to the project. For example, this could be a cabin where the window coverings are being installed at. We will then verify the billing address, the sources, and so on and so forth. We'll just click next here. When all the data are completed, we will get to the appointment phase. We will validate a time that works with the homeowner, and we can just drag and drop to select the time that we want to set up as. Then we will select the type of appointment. So this could be a sales and design. We can then assign it to a user and add any note, and then lastly, save appointment. Once the appointment has been saved, you can see it on the calendar. If you wanted to go back and look at the calendar view, then on the left panel, you can go to the calendar, and then you will be able to see all the appointments within the time frame that you're looking at, which can be configured into month, week, or day. You can then pre-select the users to see their specific appointments. You can select the team members to filter your appointments that you see on the calendar, as well as the type of the appointment, and then you can filter those as well. Next, we will look at, once we are at our appointment, how do we go about building customer profile and measuring those windows so that we can configure different products through those windows and generate code and then payment as well as proposals.